Living in beautiful West Vancouver has its perks, but it also comes with its share of challenges. According to the Crime Severity Index, West Vancouver is ranked as the 57th most dangerous city in Canada this year. Criminals often target garage doors as a point of entry, knowing that valuable items are often stored inside. Ensuring your garage door is in good repair is crucial to your home's security. While repairs may seem like a cost-effective option, they can be dangerous. Garage doors are heavy and have powerful torsion springs, which can cause serious injury if mishandled. At Titan Garage Doors Vancouver, our technicians are specially trained to repair garage doors safely. Calling in an amateur or doing it yourself can not only be risky but also void your garage door warranty. Professional repairs from Titan Garage Doors ensure your door's security is not compromised. Don't risk injury or burglary. Trust Titan Garage Doors for safe, reliable repairs. Garage door issues can happen at any time. That's why Titan Garage Doors offers 24-hour emergency repair services in West Vancouver. At Titan Garage Doors, we pride ourselves on providing personalized service with a local touch. Our prices are affordable, and we use only quality materials for lasting repairs. For efficient and affordable garage door repair in West Vancouver, call Titan Garage Doors. Don't wait for a garage door disaster. Call Titan Garage Doors Vancouver today for all your garage door repair needs.